We're doing MCQ on inventory valuation. Cost is how much?
No, sorry, it's NRV.
11.75. 11.75 is the cost. Now I can purchase for 11.05 has no relevance. It is selling price of how much?
11.75.
Selling price is of 18.50. Please
Yeah,
read
18.
properly. And the delivery cost is 1.25. So even if I subtract it, the cost is lower. So inventory will be valued at 11.75.
Okay.
You with me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Next one. Edison is expecting to sell the goods at a markup. That means at a profit on cost.
Yeah.
So you should value his inventory at what?
At
Cost
cost price. Yeah.
or NRV, whichever is lower. So he should
Whichever is
value it at
lower.
cost.
Yeah, so cost.
What was difficult in this?
I don't understand the question.
Which is not a part of calculation of NRV.
Carriage inwards.
Next,
Carriage inwards.
value of the inventory at the end of the financial year. What is cost?
Cost is 16.
NRV.
NRV is.
Now let's see.
Miss, there's damaged goods in this.
1,000 units was there. 910 is sold. So balance is how many units?
It's 80.
90 units.
Yeah,
Please use calculator and speak sense. Out of these 90 units, 30 was damaged. That means 60 was normal. So this 60 units will be valued at cost only. That is 60 into 16. 960. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Now we have to do the valuation of this 30 units, which is damaged. The cost of this 30 units is how much?
16.
NRV is how much?
7.
So this 30 units will be valued at how much?
7.
So what will it be?
1170.
So cost or NRV, whichever is lower. So the total inventory valuation will be at 1170. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Go to the next one. I'm going to record the next one. Total value of inventory.
Miss, we did kill the fourth one.
So for product X, it will be how much? 1750. And product Y, it will be 858. So total value, say now if you know.
Total value 2608.
Okay, fine. Go to the next one. Product X.
So the answer is gonna be A199.
How? Come on. 520 times 2. 1040. Okay. And for product Y. 50 products were damaged.
390 times 2.8.
No. So 390 minus 50, 340. 390 minus 50. 340. Because 50 units were damaged.
Yeah, and then 340 times 2.8.
So
You get total of 199.
total 1992.
199. Yeah.
Next one.
A.
Next one.
A.
Closing inventory is overstated.
Yeah. It's income, so our profits would also be overstated.
Next. $50 radios in inventory. 3 is damaged.
Yeah, so we do 47 times 20.
So 47 times 20.
Yeah,
So 47 times 20 is how much?
940.
940. And
Yeah,
how about
then
the 3 inventory?
we do 30 minus 17.
20 minus 17.
30 minus 17.
By 30?
Because that's the selling price.
30 minus 70.
And then we multiply it by 3 and we get 39.
13 into 3.
39.
13. So 940 plus 39.
97.
979. Very good. Next.
Next is C. The answer is C.
Cost or NRV?
Uh,
C
120. We use NRV.
minus estimated selling expenses.
Yes,
15% of 120. 120 into 15%. 18 will be the estimated selling expenses. So NRV would be 120 minus 18. NRV would be 102. Option A.
Miss, wouldn't we also minus 8 from it?
By it.
Because they have been slightly damaged and can only be sold for 120.
So it can be
And
sold
we
for
use NRV.
120, right?
Yeah.
So NRV is what? Selling estimated selling price minus estimated selling
Oh, yeah.
expenses. Yeah.
Miss, you got your answer as 102?
Yeah.
Oh.
What is meant by net realizable value?
Selling price less selling expenses. So D. D is the answer.
Very good. Next.
A.
By A. Okay, it's a markup. Next. Cost 18. Replacement cost 13.
So 13.
And 3 is packing and delivery. 18 minus 13 minus 3. 18 minus 16. 2. What is it? It is expected to be sold for 20.
Yeah.
Original cost 18. Replacement cost 13. Cost of delivery and packing when the item is sold will amount to 3. It is expected
Yeah.
to be sold for 20. At what value should it be included in the financial statements?
13.
13, because it can get replaced by 13.
Yeah.
Next,
11th one we already did, and the answer is
cost,
11.7.
cost is 11.75. NRV is 18.50 minus 1.25. So which is higher only. So 11.75. Next,
So we do 80 plus 6 to get the cost price. Okay, and
cost is
then
80. NRV is, it can be sold
packing
for
and
78
shipping cost.
minus 22 for repair
So it's
minus,
56.
so it is 78 minus 22 minus 6. So 50. Yeah.
Miss, can you explain this one? I didn't understand.
Cost is 80.
Yeah,
NRV is 78. Net realizable value 78.
yeah.
It can be sold for 78 if I do repairs of 22.
And then we minus 6 for shipping.
Packing and shipping also.
Okay, 58.
How should inventory be valued in the statement of financial position?
At lower of,
At lower of cost and NRV.
yeah.
Come on, the last one.
So we're gonna multiply 300 by 3 because that's the lower price, and 600 times 5, and then we add those both values, and we get 3,900.
The chapter of inventory valuation is done.